All right, attention. You better not say. Now you begin commodity affair on microphone amangana. I mean, why? I am we are say at large. Medino and a mensa abrompa very mayo. Mena was say channels the doors, but then you choose to view, listen, and then watch our videos. The mission on your case. But in Facebook, will make sure say like the creator and share. For YouTube, subscribe, be part of the family. The videos in Nara and summer, it can referring team. It told me I said to my coming. I was only when you went to me a fan. Sunday said, na a factor. The first they would do a Mark University Foundation. So one neighbor and Grand Mobile for one Sabi Bibinti. Busia do me a yano. Professor Coordination, just contacted them. You may need to make a number no screen as ya. A bit my picking a link up. I didn't come from there. I first we producer and then still Sikapa pa. Was I only have one Adipa in my life. That's my big sister. I mean, Shadow. Now my camera guys in a moya day. And come on, beginning very simple, but then it's touching. When we run the and I'm running in beer, a friend say Morris Ampaw. Yes. I picture now is here. Lawyer Morris Ampaw. In so Casa de Brenadi, my NPP. Bene, the table is turned. And that's what this in you, but the table has or is turned. Then said they were the Kokobo. Strong warning. And the NPP, the New Patriotic Party, among His Excellency Nana Adampa Kufuato, Edano. Achin PC, Nana Gaga, Nana Plima, Adogai. One a dano, would just say, Bibia. Now the lawyer can say, you're about to try by Tvgh free MPP and CPP. Parties in those who are in my record on Kumina, they come. Now, they were going to say, they are not say, I can see me or some any chili or more some attacker or Magana. Never yourself and you must say to me, Kabi. Now, Ura, Morris Ampaw, you say, one in the kind. The LPP must be very careful not to lose power. Monya sheye pa na 2 million free come 2024. Monya very careful. One kind of gidi one kind of boko was some LPP must be very careful. Our batwa I can finish me inside a day. They're very careful. 2, the church. If they do, they will stay in opposition for 24 good years. But according to was say, when you are na 2 million free ones, and another penny for it, as well for Canina. When you're very careful, the 2 million free ones, and it doesn't mean someone else, when you're I'm a 2 million free ones, I say, king. More better backstage. If it's ya poly, I do 24 years in opposition. Morris, the picture's near influencer, you can see the face. Very energetic man, so outspoken, legal practitioner, private one. That also means this is a prophecy advanced by a lawyer. When you are dying, go point to or statistics, or she never seen this sequel. Now, as a Ghana for MPP for rule of law, government before terms will say, a kind rule of law. As I say, the law rules and nothing else. I am pa. But then that's all you shall and where we are, NDC for or push Nima, pinpointing your ma, point holes and answer corners. It is the ever ready. Nothing besides said, now there's some you inside the account because of the MPP. Now, command said, lady. When you are 18 air Cobanos, oh, Charlie, they make country on you. Say to me from one side, may go to her. If NDC comes to power, the government for 24 years, the hunger that will afflict you, the NPP members, and this country will not be joke, he advanced. Send this about to me, Omedi Ghana, so and Fisher, I do 24 years. Now, a come about NPP, NPP, Masono. I said, bra, any idea grow a content tirinchi. Okay, come by my Amos. Amos over was say. Na ekom beba asase so ehia bia no kom agency kom nimu already asɛmtie mu kom wacha sesa nti ni sema owura Morris Ampaw de betu bia say Nana Akufo-Addo na aban NPP fo monye extra careful anya sana sa NPP be so NDC be so penu say k and there was when Akufo-Addo started his second term. It is not up to a year, but Mahama and his people are not giving him breathing space, and they are gradually losing power. NPP better not for your second time. I was saying NDC money nya home, and then NPP elusuba. It is being eroded gradually, and then I am warning them because the NDC have decided that the 8 years is enough. It is their turn. So they are going to make the government unpopular by putting pressure and making more kinds of threats. What the government is doing is sitting down and talking of rule of law. What I say, it was the NDC, Emma, MPP, Yahaban, Ting, and Akor. Okay? Omunya Haban and Ting, MPP, and Nabai. Now, Omuya Dibia, Senabeya, MPP, Amahomus, and Pat, you're doing nothing in a country about so doing, the MPP is losing small, and then NDC, the country also say, NDC say the 8 years that the MPP is enough. And come across it's the norm in the country. You want to come and you do something, do well, you retain your seat for the 8 years. It's enough. It's their turn now. And if they do take the position as, a governing party or ruling party, the type of a comma MPP could do. So once again, Owura Morris Ampaw has warned the MPP and Nana Akufo-Addo said, if the NDC comes to power again, they are going to remain in opposition for 24 good years. Therefore, we see Anna Yonko and Semfufro Esomedino. Nana Marisa Abrompa Berma, Facebook will be show Attention TV. Like the page and share. YouTube, subscribe. And then when you're into the El Costro. Nana Ajisi Kapa happens to be the ultimate producer. Together with Adepa. My cameraman and then my MCR. I'm teaching him, brother, God bless you. Also, you have a team I will share. You may answer on your case. Best answer about and watch your videos. Air call any day right now. God bless you.